Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm an event planner at the Orange County Library System. I plan author events and writing workshops. Since we can't have those at the library right now, I invited some of my author friends to provide writing tips for you. This next one is from Christina Farley. She is the author of the Gilded series and The Princess and the Page.
Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make your fantasy unique. A lot of times you may be in the middle of writing a story and you realize that your scene feels familiar. You feel like you maybe have seen this scene before on TV or you read it before someplace. If you're feeling that, then your reader's going to feel that same thing. In fantasy, you can't get away with the cliche. You've got to stretch deeper, go further, and really make sure your fantasy stands out. So how do we do that? Well, I'm going to give you a tip to get you started. We're taking a little trip outside to visit my mailbox. Yeah, my mailbox. A couple of you are thinking, Christina has finally lost her mind. Maybe I have. But in all seriousness, a mailbox is a great example of taking an ordinary object and thinking about making it into something extraordinary. So, those of you who love writing portal fantasies can be a little cliche. But if you're like me, I love reading books with portal fantasies, as long as they're unique and different. So I want you to think about making a list of 10 different ways this mailbox can be unique and different and have a fantastical element to it. So maybe this mailbox at midnight, it turns into some kind of creature. Or maybe when you open it up, there are weird, strange things that come out. Or maybe the mail that comes from this mailbox is sent by magicians around the world. I recommend making a list of 10 ways this mailbox could be unique. And then go through that list and cross out everything that feels cliche, it feels familiar. Once you've taken everything that's familiar off that list, go back and think, how can you go deeper? How can you go further? Make another list of 10. As you do this, you're going to find that you're going deeper and further. You're going to push yourself creatively and allow your fantasy to become unique and special. So good luck to you as you develop your fantasy worlds. I can't wait to read your stories.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about writing workshops and see more videos, visit ocls.info/writerscorner. Orange County Library System is your place to learn, grow, connect.